Okay, welcome back. Thanks for watching. If you find the video useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment below. But today, or in this video rather, we're going to talk about the clipping plane and how to use it to set up your models for manufacturing. So right now we're in the curves menu. You didn't see that, did you? So we're in the curve menu, so we want to go to manufacturing. In order to get the ring ready for printing, you'll need to check your model out after you put on. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is put a sprue on your ring, right? Select the ring, hit enter. It automatically puts a sprue or a build plate out there. I usually take mine and cut it off and go right, so I usually extend the length, the height to around 10, but everybody is different in how they get their models ready. But I usually print it in a castable wax, and I just cut that off and sprue it up from there. But actually that looks fine. And then you hit enter, of course, and it'll put that out there. Next thing you'll need to do is do your supports. So we'll go in here, we'll go about halfway up or so, and then where to put the supports, right? So we'll back out of this for right now, deselect that and delete it, because we want to check out where exactly do we need to put any supports, or do we need to put any kind of supports coming up through the middle for the printing of the ring. So where you need to go is you need to go to your just your tab here with the arrow and click on it and scroll down to where you see clipping plane. And then just go to your top view and draw a little square or plane or curve around your ring. Okay, now you won't be able to see anything except for your perspective view. So if I go to my views, you can see everything fine except for the perspective. The perspective view is showing you the clipping plane, so that's where everything's going to be done at. So we're going to go ahead and go in that viewport. But the clipping plane is actually showing you how it's going to grow. So the ring will start from the bottom, and then it will slowly start building up from there. And while you're doing the clipping plane, this will tell you where you need supports put at to hold. What you're looking for is little islands, things that little pop up out where there's nothing attached to it. Those things will need to be supported somehow. So you just kind of go up kind of slowly, kind of watching the ring and how it's growing. Okay, we get to this point, zoom in a little bit, and the shank, yeah, it's all growing fine, so it's really nothing to worry about there. It comes up, keeps going up, it'll grow fine. It looks like it's got some thickness and width there. Nothing's popped up yet. Now we're coming into an area that could possibly need something, but there's a good area on both sides, and there's nothing really popping up, and this kind of grows out from each other, so you're fine so far. Those areas could probably use a support, but they might be alright. But going up, okay, now right here, this is a great example. You have these little spots here, 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 and here. Those are islands. Those are what you're going to need to make sure that you put some kind of support up to, because if it was growing, it would grow on the build plate. There would be nothing there to support it from the bottom or from the top, because it's growing upside down. So it would just fall off. So you would definitely have to put supports in that area. So now's a good time to go to your inside. Well, click off of that, go to your inside, and then get your cylinder there for the supports to go up, and then you can kind of see where you need to put them. So you'll need to, I'll put it on looks like all fours will probably be best. And then I'm going to turn off my snaps and then just put them right there on those spots. Kind of not on the sides, both sides, so probably delete some of those. Let's take those and let's go ahead and enter. Get rid of those and do it again. Oh, I lost my clipping plane. Okay, so let's go back to the clipping plane here real quick. Alright, and I need to draw it out there. And go to my perspective. Click on my clipping plane and draw it up to where I kind of saw those islands popping up. It doesn't look like they're all popping up in the same area, so now I'm just going to go ahead and enter and click off of my clipping plane and go to my finger hole supports, and now I'll just put them up individually. My snaps are turned off, so I'll put one like right there, one over here right there, one right there, and one right there, and this probably looks like it could probably do it, so I'll go ahead and you get a little support in there, can't hurt. Okay, and then I'll click off that, hit enter, and just kind of go back to your clipping plane, make sure. Alright, there's two more right there, so probably need to kind of keep a remembrance where those are at. You can kind of still see them, so just kind of go back, get out of that, click out of that, go back and redo it. Going up, and then making sure you hit these areas, because if you don't, it won't grow properly. So you have to make sure that those areas are supported somehow in the lowest possible area there. And you could even add more in there. And I think there was something in here. Alright, so go back to our clipping plane, drag it up, make sure everything's okay, no more islands popping up anywhere. That kind of has 4 going around it, but it looks a little, it should be okay. It doesn't pop up by itself. Pops up with everything, so it should be fine. And then growing up and finished. So you probably want to go back over it a couple times just to make sure you didn't miss anything, but that's kind of the clipping plane and its purpose. So those areas, where they pop up at by themselves, the little islands, you definitely need to make sure you're putting some kind of support there to give it to make sure it grows properly and everything comes out okay. Yeah, there you go. Hope the video helps, and if it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment below. Thanks for watching, and if the video helped you, please like and subscribe. Please. Thank you very much.